That's what happens when you feed a child too many cookies. Hey, dude.
What?
What? Who are you gonna bring back to paint with us next time? He's a happy customer. Whoa! Don't wipe out. Uh-oh! Say no to crack. 8 more laps. How many cookies did you eat?
2, 7.
Are you feeling sleepy?
No.
Really? Hey, dude. Come here. I have a question for you. Stop. Do you have to pee?
No.
Why are you bouncing?
Because I'm not stop running.
You're never gonna stop running.
Hey, okay, I only had 6 more laps to do.
6 more laps. Go.
5 minutes.
So priceless. Oh my goodness.
4.
Did you drink any soda?
No. Oh, water.
Are you ready to go to bed? It's like bedtime, dude. I can't even follow him so fast. I can't even keep up and I'm just holding the iPad. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Taking pictures.
Taking pictures is your favorite? Okay. Wasn't it cool? You had the best minion ever. You have my favorite minion ever. Are you tired yet?
0.
I'm tired of holding the iPad up. This is so crazy. There's Miss Lisa. Don't run into her. She has frail bones. Okay, who are you bringing with you next time?
Listen.
Huh? Who are you bringing with you next? Are you tired finally?
No.
That was like 15 laps.
10.
10? Okay. Hey, any last... Don't touch that cookie. That's my cookie. Any last words for the video here? What was your favorite thing you ate here at Panera?
Oh, cookies.
No kidding.